If you want to set up your Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's open up our settings. Now scroll down to your Google tab, open it up, tap on all services, and find your search, assistant, and voice. Open it up, find your Google Assistant, find your voice match, and let's tap on the switch to activate our Google Assistant. Now you need to give all the necessary permissions. Press more, press I agree, press more, press I agree, press next. And to make it work correctly and properly, we have to tap on retrain voice match model. So we have to calibrate it. Now let's repeat those phrases. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Alright, so now you have to press next, and basically that's it. Now it's added, and hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today's forecast for Praha 2 is 11 degrees and cloudy.
Well, that's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.